Those annoying black borders around your screen are usually a sign that your Windows settings and your monitor aren't speaking the same language. Today, we are going to reclaim every single pixel of your display. Let's start with the most common cause, which is incorrect display resolution. Right-click anywhere on your empty desktop and select Display Settings. Move to the Scale and Layout section and look for Display Resolution. You want to look for the option that has Recommended written next to it. If your screen is set to a lower resolution than what the monitor was built for, Windows will center the image, leaving those black gaps around the edges. Hit Keep Changes and see if your screen fills out instantly. If the Windows settings isn't cooperating, it is likely because your integrated graphics are overriding the signal. The Intel Graphics Command Center is the primary tool for managing how an image fits a monitor screen when standard Windows settings fail. Search for and open the Intel Graphics Command Center. Once inside, click the display icon on the left-hand menu. Under the General tab, look for the Scale section. You will likely see it set to Maintain Display Scaling. This setting preserves the original shape of the image, which is why you see those black borders. Click the drop-down menu and select Stretched. This command forces the video signal to expand and fill the entire physical screen. If the screen flickers, don't worry. That is just the chip remapping the pixels to eliminate those gaps. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.